Hi, I'm the Clever Mum, where smart tips meet everyday life. Let's make cooking simple, fun, and stress-free together. What if cooking didn't have to feel like a chore? Imagine saving time and transforming your kitchen routine into something fun and effortless. In this video, I'll reveal tips that will cut hours of stress and make meal prep smoother than ever. Want to take back control of your time and energy starting today? Let's get started. Does this sound familiar? You come home late, open the fridge, and suddenly cooking feels overwhelming. But imagine a world where your fridge is stocked with prepped ingredients and a clear plan. How would that change your evening? Here's how to do it. Start with versatile staples like grains, roasted veggies, or proteins you can easily turn into different meals. Think salads, bowls, or wraps. Dedicate just 30 minutes on Sunday to meal prep. It's a small-time investment that saves stress all week. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Set up habits like themed nights, such as Taco Tuesday or Pasta Fridays. These rhythms make dinner decisions faster and more fun. The payoff? You'll free your evenings, reduce decision fatigue, and enjoy meals that feel satisfying instead of draining. Even one action, like prepping ingredients or trying out a meal plan, can ripple into life-changing efficiency. Ready to reclaim your evenings? It starts here, one simple step at a time. Here's the game changer: prep smarter, not harder. Imagine setting the stage on Sunday. Chop your vegetables, mince your garlic, and organize everything into easy-access containers. Why? Because this small ritual transforms chaos into calm weekdays. Let's go deeper. Ever tried freezing herb oils? Blend fresh herbs with olive oil, freeze them into cubes, and toss one into your dish for an instant flavor upgrade. Efficiency in prep doesn't just save time, it clears your mind. Focus on essentials first, like roasting your go-to veggies or cooking simple grains. Even decluttering your spice rack can make a world of difference. Pro tip: start small. Prep just one thing, a few onions chopped or snacks bagged for the week. Over time, these little acts of diligence build into a habit. And here's the magic. Cooking starts to feel less like an endless chore and more like an empowering form of self-care. Think about it, not just saving minutes, but creating moments of joy and control every time you enter the kitchen. Technology is your fastest route to cooking freedom, and it's time to make it work for you. Think about this. A food processor cuts vegetables in seconds, perfect for soups or stir-fries. Slow cookers. Toss in ingredients, leave for hours, and come home to ready-to-eat magic. Short on time? The pressure cooker creates hearty meals like stews in under an hour. And don't forget the air fryer, perfect for crispy snacks without the guilt. Yes, tools cost money up front, but they're game changers for efficiency. So which one fits your needs? A blender for smoothies and soups, a rice cooker for consistently perfect grains. Don't overwhelm yourself. Focus on the gadgets that match your lifestyle today, not 5 years from now. These tools don't just save you time, they create breathing room. Every moment you streamline cooking with gadgets, you free up energy for life's joys. Once you embrace this, you'll wonder why you waited. Take the leap. It's more than cooking, it's life simplified. Layer your cooking and watch your stress melt away. While pasta water boils, roast veggies. While proteins sizzle, whip up a simple dressing. Cooking smarter means planning tasks that can overlap. Multitasking turns the kitchen into a well-oiled machine. But here's a pro tip: start batch cooking. 1 hour on Sunday for roasting veggies, boiling quinoa, or grilling chicken gives you effortless meals through the week. Want to make it even better? Turn meal prep into family time. Imagine your kids slicing veggies, or your partner chopping herbs while music plays in the background. Cooking becomes an opportunity to connect, not just a task. Little hacks like cleaning as you go or working from a clutter-free space sharpen your efficiency. This isn't just about faster cooking, it's about making every moment in the kitchen more meaningful. When you layer purpose into your process, cooking becomes less stressful and more satisfying. A daily ritual, not a daily grind. Here's the ultimate takeaway. Cooking isn't just about meals, it's about reclaiming time and joy. Imagine sitting down to dinner with loved ones, stress-free, because your prep work is done. Batch cooking, streamlined tools, and smart routines don't just make cooking easy, they open doors to more meaningful moments. And it's not just about time, it's about money saved and creativity unlocked. Experimenting with new meals, sharing prep ideas with friends, and creating a rhythm that works for your life make cooking an enriching experience. The beauty of these habits, they extend beyond the kitchen, giving you back hours for what truly matters: personal growth, connection, and joy. Start small but dream big, because efficiency isn't the end goal. It's the gateway to a better, freer life. Ready to embrace it? The choice and the transformation starts with you. Your turn. Which tip will you try first? Is it prepping one ingredient or embracing a time-saving tool? Small steps lead to big changes. Start your journey to easier cooking today. Thank you for watching Clever Mum, where smart tips meet everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start simplifying your cooking journey today.